Hi, this is Jaya. In this video, we shall see some important works based on Marxist criticism. Karl Marx, who has been considered as the father of Marxism, is a 19th century philosopher, political theorist, and a revolutionist. And many branches of modern criticism, like historicism, feminism, deconstruction, post colonial and cultural social theory, are all based on the principles of Marxism. And Marxism is actually committed towards bringing a social change, and it is based on the writings of Karl Marx and his followers like Friedrich Engels and Vladimir Lenin. And when we see to the evolution of Marxist theories, we find that during the Russian Revolution, which took place in 1970, the communists in Russia thought that the modern revolution is which happened in European art, music, and literature was in no way serving the purpose of the society. And Lenin's essay, Party Organization and Party Literature, also brings forth this principle. And they felt that any literature which does not bring in the interest of this communist party, is not good enough to be read. Moreover, they believed that the society was divided into two, that is, the owners and the workers, the capitalist and the working class, that is, the bourgeois and the proletariats. And they even divide the society as powerful and the weaker section, and they felt that the gap between these two was so wide, and this gap must be bridged, and the society must be made into one to bring in a bourgeois society, that is a utopian world. And if we see to the important works based on Marxism, we find that George Lucas's The Historical Novel, Studies in European Realism, Meaning of Contemporary Realism, are all based on this Marxist perspective. And we have Bertolt Brecht, who is a Russian formalist and he is also a dramatist, and his conception of defeminization presents a new kind of theatre known as epic theatre or a parable theatre. And we also have this Frankfurt School scholars like Max Horkheimer, Theodor Adorno, and Herbert Marcuse, who gave a new look to Marxism with a Hegelian perspective. And actually, this institute was exiled in 1933 and got relocated in New York, but it came back to Frankfurt in 1950. And then we have Walter Benjamin's The Work of Art in the Age of Mechanical Reproduction, where he shows how these modern technical innovations have altered the status of the work of art. And he has also written the book, the author as producer, and this book is based on the politics of artistic practice. And then we have structuralist Marxism, and the important scholars of structuralist Marxism are Lucian Goldman, who has given the name genetic structuralism to his Marxist literary and cultural analysis. And then we have Louis Althusser, who is a French Marxist, and he believed in the notion of decentered structure. And then we have Pierre Macquarie, and in his work, A Theory of Literary Production, he points out that the text is a product in which disparate materials are worked over and changed in the process of its creation. And then we have New Left Marxism, and the important scholars of New Left Marxism are Raymond Williams, who in his Culture and Society talks about three important ways of looking at culture. That is, first, culture as the ideal, the embodiment of perfect and universal values, culture as documentary, and culture as social, as a way of life. And then we have Terry Eagleton, who thinks literary texts are production of ideology. And next we have Frederick Jameson, who in his famous work, The Political Unconscious, explores three phases of capitalism. One is market capitalism, which is also a way of realism, which says that technical advancements gives birth to a particular kind of literary genre, which is realism. And then he talks about monopoly capitalism, which is almost the same as modernism. And then he talks about late or multinational capitalism, or which is also known as consumer capitalism, which is almost same as postmodernism. These are the important works of Marxism. And if you have any more information to add on to what I've said, please write it in the comment box. That will be useful to others. Like the video, share it with your friends, and if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.